everyone, welcome back to day 30, the final day of our Java series. Today, we will build a simple console-based Java quiz app using basic concepts like arrays, loops and conditionals. Let's go through it line by line. So, here I am directly pasting the code to avoid extra time. And now you can see here the code. Let's go through it line by line. You can see here import java.util.scanner. Here we start by importing the scanner class. This helps us take inputs from the user. Then we have our public class quiz app. We created a public class named quiz app. Every Java program starts with this class. Then we have our main method and then we have our scanner sc is equal to new scanner then system.in. Here we create a scanner object sc to read user input from the console. Then we have int score is equal to 0. We initialize a variable score to 0. This will count how many answers the user gets correct. Then we have our print statement. Welcome to the Java quiz app. Now here we print the welcome message to greet the user and make the app look nice. Then we have strings, question and our 3 questions. We create the arrays of question. It stores all the quiz question. Then we have the 2D arrays called options. Each question has 4 choices as you can see here. So each inner array holds these options. Then we have int answer and then 3, 3, 2. Now this array holds the correct answer for each question. For example, the first question's correct option is the number 3. Then similarly for question number 2 and then for 3. Then we have our for loop to go through each question one by one and then print statement to print the question. And again we have our another for loop to print all the 4 options of that question. And then again we have our print statement, this one, and we will ask the user to enter their answer number between 1 and 4 and store them in user answer using this print statement. Then again we have our if statement. Now what does here mean? Then we can check user answer matches the correct one from the answer array and otherwise it will print wrong. After all questions are done, we will print the final score and how many answers were correct out of the total question. Then we are printing thanks for playing the Java quiz app, a friendly closing message to end the game. And then finally we close our scanner to free system resource, which is a good programming habit. And that is our simple Java quiz app ready. Now let's save it and run it to see whether it's working properly or not. And here it came, welcome to Java quiz app. Java is a dash language. It should be option 3. Let's enter. Now the next question is, which keyword is used for inheritance? The correct answer will be option 3. So let's go. And then which method runs first in the Java? Very simple. It should be option 2. That is the main method. And now you can see final score got printed and thanks for playing the Java quiz app. Now, this was our simple Java quiz app ready. We used everything we learned: arrays, loops, input, and condition all in one mini project. This marks the end of our 30 days of Java series. If you enjoy it, go try this quiz on your own platform and share your score. Thank you so much for learning with me. Keep coding, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next series.